Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're setting our sights on the budget-friendly Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra Smartwatch. This watch promises a stylish design, plenty of features, and a price tag that won't break the bank. But with so many smartwatches on the market, is the Phoenix Ultra the real deal or just a flash in the pan? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype, especially for our viewers in Asia. First impressions, a looker that might deceive the Fire-Boltt. Phoenix Ultra boasts a sleek and stylish design. It comes in a variety of colors, with a metal body and two different strap options, a silicone strap for everyday wear and a Milanese loop for a more formal look. While it looks premium at first glance, it's important to note that the body is made of a metal alloy, not solid stainless steel often found in high-end watches. Despite that, the Phoenix Ultra is comfortable to wear and feels lightweight on your wrist. Basic features for everyday use. The Phoenix Ultra is equipped with a MediaTek processor. It's not the most powerful chip on the market, but it can handle basic smartwatch functions like tracking your steps, monitoring your heart rate, and displaying notifications from your phone. Think checking the weather, seeing your message alerts, or controlling your music playback. The Phoenix Ultra can handle those tasks without a hitch. However, if you're looking for a smartwatch that can run complex apps or store a lot of music, this might not be the best option for you. Display. The Phoenix Ultra features a 1.39-inch LCD display. While it's not the biggest or the brightest display out there, it gets the job done. You can see the time, your notifications, and your fitness data clearly enough. However, some users report that the display can be a bit difficult to see in direct sunlight. This could be a minor inconvenience for users in bright and sunny parts of Asia. Health and fitness tracking. The Phoenix Ultra offers a variety of health and fitness tracking features. It can track your steps, distance, calories burned, and even your sleep patterns. There are also multiple sports modes to choose from, whether you're going for a run, hitting the gym, or cycling outdoors. It's a great way to stay motivated and monitor your activity levels, especially if you're just starting out with a fitness routine. One thing to note, while the watch offers blood oxygen (SpO2) monitoring, some reviews mention the accuracy of these readings might be inconsistent. Battery life. The Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra boasts a battery life of up to 7 days on a single charge. This sounds impressive, but in real-world use, it might be closer to 3-4 days depending on how often you use features like Bluetooth calling or the display brightness. Still, that's not bad for a budget smartwatch. Plus, it charges relatively quickly, so you won't be waiting hours to get back to 100%. Calling on a budget, a handy feature, but not flawless. One of the standout features of the Phoenix Ultra is built-in Bluetooth calling. This allows you to answer or reject calls directly from your wrist. It's a convenient option for when you can't reach for your phone, especially while commuting or exercising. However, call quality can be a bit hit or miss, and the built-in speaker might not be the loudest. So, while it's a nice feature to have, don't expect crystal clear conversations every time. Software. A basic interface with room for improvement. The Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra runs on a proprietary operating system. It's a simple interface that's easy to navigate. However, compared to some other smartwatches, it lacks customization options and doesn't offer a very large app selection. There's no way to download additional watch faces or third-party apps, which might be a limitation for some users. Who should get the Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra? Fashion-conscious users on a budget, casual fitness enthusiasts, users who want basic health tracking, users who need occasional Bluetooth calling convenience, who might want to look elsewhere, users who require advanced fitness tracking features, users who prioritize a high-resolution display, users who want extensive app customization options, users who need crystal-clear Bluetooth call quality. Final verdict, a stylish budget option, but not a feature powerhouse. One last tip. Before you buy any smartwatch, be sure to check online reviews from users in your region to see how the watch performs in similar weather conditions and environments. You can also compare prices from different retailers in Asia to get the best deal. Thanks for joining me on this review of the Fire-Boltt Phoenix Ultra Smartwatch. If you have any questions about this watch or budget-friendly smartwatch options in Asia, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides tailored for our viewers across Asia.